Welcome back to Small Town America. Today we're taking a quick but charming 3.5-minute dashcam ride through one of southern Pennsylvania's most distinctive small towns, historic Glen Rock, PA. Our journey begins on Pennsylvania 216 East, just as we pass the Glen Rock borough limits. As we do, we enter the Glen Rock Historic District, a compact but beautifully preserved area listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Founded in the 1830s as a mill town along Codorus Creek, Glen Rock grew rapidly thanks to the Northern Central Railway, whose tracks still run right through the heart of town. Many of the 19th century commercial storefronts, brick homes, and industrial buildings still stand today, giving the borough its unmistakable historic character. As we follow Pennsylvania 216 into town, you'll see glimpses of the local businesses, the old rail corridor, and the hillside neighborhoods that make Glen Rock feel tucked right into the landscape. This town is also famous for one very special tradition, the Glen Rock Carolers. Every Christmas morning since 1848, yes, for more than 175 years, this group has walked the streets from midnight to dawn, singing carols and drawing visitors from all over the region.
Merry Christmas.
Our drive ends just past the Pennsylvania 616 intersection north of town, but in only a few minutes, you'll get a wonderful snapshot of a Pennsylvania community with deep roots, strong traditions, and timeless small-town charm. Let's hit the road and explore historic Glen Rock, Pennsylvania on Dashcam Travels. Thanks for riding shotgun with me on today's drive. If you enjoy the ride, it would really help out the channel if you would subscribe, like, share, or leave a comment. If you want to be notified of new drives when they're released, you can also click the bell to be notified of new content. But most importantly, enjoy the ride.